me, Mario!
In this video, we will play the Dance Dance Revolution Mario Mix mobile game in the Unity editor. By the end of this video, you will be proud of the game that you built. Let's click the play button at the top of the editor. When we do that, the start screen will load. Then we will click the play now button, and Mario will start dancing, and arrows will begin to move up the screen. The moment an arrow overlaps one of the boxes, do your best to click that box with your mouse. If you got the timing correct, you should see the arrow change color, grant you points, and disappear. If you click a button and there is not an arrow overlapping it, you will get a Koopa Shell error sound. Nice job, you should be proud of the final result.